Hi, this is Lee. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a Google form to flip one of your lessons. So you need to be signed into Gmail and click on the apps and choose Drive because we're about to create a form. To create a form, press on the Create button, choose Form. Up will come an untitled form. You can you can choose a theme for a start. So let's just go for something simple like that one, and you can change that later, it doesn't matter. So click on the title and I'm going to call it Flip Photosynthesis. Oops, it's not doing that. Flipped Photosynthesis. Okay, and it is named. Now the first question is always, I like to get the students to put their name in. Name, I don't want that, I want a text answer. So their answer, and that is a required question, so don't forget to tick that and say done. So that's the first question. So we're going to add another question. In this particular instance I want to put a video in, so I think I'll put it in fairly near the beginning. So I go to Insert and right down the bottom, Video. Now at this point it'll ask you for your YouTube video. So you can go there. I've chosen this one on photosynthesis. Just copy the URL and click back onto your form and pop it into that box. Paste and search for it. And there it comes up. Sometimes it doesn't come up and I usually just go switch to the URL button and put it in there and it will come up. For some reason, I don't know why it will. But in this case, it's come up, so that's fine. So we put it in, search for it, and there it is. So put the selection blue line around it, and then say select. The video automatically gets embedded as title this, call it photosynthesis. And my instruction to the students is going to be watch this video and answer the questions below. It's done at this stage, and you can see the arrows come up, so I can move it up to the top if I want to, so that the name is at the bottom and the video is underneath. But I think in this instance I'll go for the name first and then the video. I can then ask the questions underneath this video. So I'm going to add an item, I'm going to ask them another text question, and I'm going to say, what are the requirements for photosynthesis to take place in a plant? And just leave it like that. It's going to be a text answer, and I might even give them some help text and write list 4. Then they're going to write their answer. This is going to be a required question, done. And just continue to add items. You can add paragraph text questions, multiple choice checkboxes, choose from a list, and so on. It's up to you what you want to do in your activity, but it's important that they have an activity so that they are actually processing something in the video and that you get the evidence that they are doing that processing. So I'm just going to say view the live form now. This is a quick look at what it will look like. You can see there's our theme, there's the space for name. You can see I've actually got an extra box in there, and that's a mistake, so I'm going to go back to edit this form and just click on that particular question and put that one in the bin because that was one that wasn't supposed to be there. Back to view the live form, and there is the form. So they fill in their name, they watch the movie, Let's just click on the YouTube, and there's the first question, and you will add your own questions. So when you're wanting to look at the answers that they put in, let's just try answering this. So I'll put my name in, and the 4 requirements, I'll just say air, water, food, and carbon dioxide. That's not the right answers, by the way. It doesn't really matter. It's just a little test. And go to the bottom. The students have to submit the form. So what you will see when you go back to edit this form and you look to view the responses in this particular instance, and there's my response. You can see when I did it, what my name is. I watched the movie, and that was the answers that I put in. You can actually add a script into your form to have it self-marking and to give them a instant email back to say yes, you got it all right, or not. Up to you.